Shortly after you've changed your name servers, your personal website will go live. You'll see something like this. This is the front end of your website. It's what your visitor actually sees. Side note, with WordPress, you can change the look and feel by changing your theme. Now, there are a million different things you can do with your personal website to start, but let's start by writing and publishing your first post. Now, to log into your site, you want to type WP admin in the URL after your domain name. WP-admin. Then you want to enter your login credentials. You set these credentials in step 3 when you installed WordPress. Here we are in the back end of your personal website in WordPress. Now let's go over to plugins and deactivate these 2 plugins because you won't need them. So I'll select deactivate and then click apply. Go back to the dashboard. And next we'll go over to posts in the left sidebar. I'll click on all posts. And this is where all of your content lives. So let's go over to the add new button, click that. And now you will see the block editor. And this is where you write your posts. So I'll click on the little X here so we can focus on writing. I'll call the post Hello World. You can write anything you want here for your first post, but a good first post might be you giving a quick introduction to who you are, what you're working on, and what your personal website is for. So I'll type mine out here. My name is Sovereign Neil, and this is my personal website. Welcome. I'm an entrepreneur there who helps people clone themselves using their personal. Right now, I'm working on a new product, a personal website starter kit. Stay tuned for that. Once I've finished my post, I'll hit publish and then publish again. And then I will click view post to see the post. So here we see the title of our post. We see the title also in the URL up here. And you've just published your first post. Hopefully it's the first of many. So now you've launched your personal website. You've written and published your first post, and it's an official start to your personal website. And that will wrap up this starter series. But if you want to take the next step and build out a full personal website, then you can check out my personal website template kit. I'll put a link in the description, and it will help you write and design a personal website modeled after the best personal websites on the internet. So you can boost your writing skills, get new job opportunities, expand your network, build an audience, and even start a business.